Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. Today painting featuring a cozy fruit bowl with different fruits like apple, banana and more. This is another perfect beginner-friendly project to practice blending, layering and adding fun details. So grab your brush and let's get started. For the sketching, start with a simple outline of the board using very light stroke. Then add different fruits overlapping slightly for a natural look. No need for perfection, just keep it loose and organic. We now need to paint the base layer. We'll begin with the pear. I'm using a blend of green and yellow with tiny brown spots to add realism. After I finish the base layer, while the paint is still wet, I'm adding some salt in it to create a beautiful organic root style. Next, the apple, using a mix of warm red and orange for a natural color. And for the banana, soft yellow wash with hints of brown for natural look. The bowl is going to get a cool blue base, leaving white area for highlights. Watercolor tip here. Just make sure to use lots of water to keep the first layer light and airy.
You need to be patient with watercolor. So I'm going to let the first layer dry, and now I'm going to add details and texture. I'm layering a darker blue to bring out the details. Layering colors gradually makes the painting look soft and realistic. For the final touch, a few brush strokes for the stem and shadows would be nice, keeping it simple and beautiful. Our cozy fruit bowl watercolor art is going to finish soon. I love how soft and fresh it looks, don't you think? Let me know in the comment which fruit was your favorite to paint. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and join me for more relaxing painting session. Until next time, see ya!